Hi, today let's make tasty restaurant style egg makhani masala. In a kadai, you need to heat in oil. Once oil is heated, I'm adding in cumin seeds and then I'm adding in cardamom along with some cloves and cinnamon along with the bay leaves. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are on the screen. Once these whole spices leaves its aroma in the oil, what you need to do is next add in some chopped onions, and along with this I'm adding in ginger garlic paste because both onions and ginger garlic paste needs to be roasted or sauteed really very well till the raw smell goes. That is when the flavor of the gravy is enhanced. Now I'm adding in chopped tomatoes. Now I'll add in some basic spices like salt, turmeric powder, Kashmiri chili powder, garam masala powder, coriander powder and cumin powder. All these masalas needs to go in together and then give it a really very good mix and cover it till the tomatoes are beautifully cooked and the oil separates. That is when the flavor of the gravy is enhanced, and that is the main base of our egg makhani recipe. See, this is how the gravy looks and the oil is separated. Look at the beautiful color without adding any kind of color. Now I've added in crushed kasuri methi. Give it a good mix. Next I'll add in some fresh cream and then give it a good mix. See to that all these ingredients are beautifully combined. Just add a pinch of sugar to balance the taste and again mix it really very well. So our base, our gravy is ready. Once the gravy starts boiling in, place your boiled eggs. Here I've taken boiled eggs and cut it into two halves and then slowly place it and cover the eggs with the lovely gravy which we have made so that the eggs will get the eggs will infuse all the beautiful flavors. Cover it with the lid and finally garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves and your tasty egg makhani masala is ready to serve. You can serve hot with some fulkas, roti, chapati, naan or hot rice. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy.